Wishing you a happy Giz New Year, the ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Dalit Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Kaito Award to outstanding students in Eritrea. Cataract surgery at Eritrea Community Hospital. Sudan in Chad hit by flooding while the state affected by drought. And China announced joint naval air drill with Russia. On our local news, the Kaito Award was presented to 23 outstanding students from Eritrea subzone in recognition of their exceptional performance in 2022-2023 National School Leaving Examination. The awardees are members of 36th round of the National Service. Among the awardees, 2 students achieved a perfect 4.0 GPA, 6 students scored 3.8, 3 students achieved 3.4, and 6 scored 3.0. A special award was also given to Miss Sultana Abdullah from Safira School, who rejoined her education with 36th round of the National Service after 7-year hiatus due to marriage. Miss Sultana scored 2.6 in the national examination, and additionally, students who scored 90 points or above in 2023-2024 8th grade national examinations received financial awards. Outstanding students from grade 4 to 11 were also recognized with letters of recognition for their academic achievements. Mr. Haptaitis Vazgi, the administrator of the subzone, extended his congratulations to the awardees, their parents, and their teachers. He encouraged the students to continue striving for excellence for higher education to become competitive and successful in the future. Successful cataract surgeries were performed at Eritrea Community Hospital between 13th August and early September 2024. According to Nurse Hermes Umun, head of the hospital, ocular diagnostics were conducted for 510 patients by a team of 8 specialists, and surgery was performed on 44 patients. Nurse Samira Alim, head of the non-communicable diseases at the health office in Saganati subzone, highlighted significance of these ocular diagnostics, particularly for patients from remote areas in their prompting public health. He emphasized the importance of sustaining such programs. Dr. Mukonnen Abrahale, coordinator of the program, expressed his satisfaction with the successful implementation of the initiative and urged the public to enhance their awareness of eye care and treatment. Patients who benefited from the surgeries expressed their gratitude for the opportunity to regain their vision and called for continued attention to be given to those living in remote areas. The viewers will be back with the international news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Both Sudan and Chad have been hit by flooding, while Lesotho, another country in Africa, is impacted by drought, the UN spokesperson said on Monday. The UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs is warning that heavy rains and flooding have been impacting about 500,000 people in Sudan's South Darfur, Red Sea River Nile, and northern state since late June. The severe flooding is worsening an already dire humanitarian situation in Sudan. In areas at risk of famine, including El Fasher, the capital of the northern Darfur, about 124,000 people have been affected by heavy rains. Flooding and stagnant water are heightening the risk of diseases spreading, with nearly 2,900 suspected cholera cases reported since the start of the latest outbreak in mid-August. In Chad, the UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs and flooding continues to get worse across the country. According to the authorities, at least 340 people have been killed, nearly 1.5 million people are now impacted by the floods, and more than 160,000 homes have been destroyed. On our last news, China's defense ministry on Monday announced joint naval and air drills with Russia starting this month, underscoring the closeness between these militaries. The ministry said Northern United 2024 exercise would take place in the Sea of Japan and the Sea of Okhotsk farther north, but gave no details. It said naval and air drills aim to improve strategic cooperation between the two countries and strengthen their ability to jointly deal with security threats. The notice also said two navies would cruise together in Pacific, the fifth time they have done so, and together take part in Russia's Great Ocean 24 exercise. No further details were given. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Hydro award to outstanding students in Eritrea. Cardiac surgery in the Community Hospital. Sudan got hit by flooding while the sector impacted by drought. And China announces joint naval air drills with Russia. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.